if you have 10 customer users, I'm not talking about the end user, that the journey that you're mapping, but the 10 customer user, and let's say on an average they do 100 tasks using your product, so there's about 1,000 task bundle. So when you kind of look at today where the AI applications, do you see AI automating 10% of those 1,000, or AI is doing something new that they don't do today? Where is the data driven, or the agents or agentic is having an impact?
On our end, if you translate website traffic, let's say somebody had, I don't know, 6 million pieces of traffic a month, and let's say 4 million of that is unique people. Let's say that's end customers going on a website. I would say what we are trying to do, and I think what a lot of people want to be seeing, especially from a customer standpoint, is how do we make sure that we can keep those people on a digital property? They have that best experience possible. So how do we make sure that when those friction points come up where your cart button or your customer login on a banking page isn't functioning, and making sure that that is not affecting revenue and things like that. So how can we drive a workflow off that? So I think when you have those examples, well, how do we do in real time where an agent could essentially, we notify another platform, for instance, how do we make sure that that is going to be addressed? Could be fixed. It could be that you're notifying multiple teams, you're logging in Jira, it's going in Slack. How can you sort of orchestrate that as more of an agent? And then also maybe on the customer success side as well, or the contact center side, if somebody is having this issue on a website, why does 85% of that have to go to a individual when we could essentially be answering through the contact center, at 40% of that? So it's more of I think there's low hanging fruit there, not to quote a well used term, to essentially drive impact immediately. I think the ability to collaborate cross the ecosystem is where agentic is going to be most powerful. And I think we're going to see more insights there. But again, it really depends on a company's tech stack. And I think one of the things that is missing in a lot of these AI and agentic conversations is everyone's tech stack is fragmented, and that needs to be fixed before you can just say AI is going to fix everything. So we need things to talk to one another and capture the right things to be